Hi guys, Assalamu Walaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to table text can be made of card in Google Docs. So let's started. At first, open your Docs file and table text is card another table column and is card text is select your text and click the mouse right button for click and click for the card option. Then any column is table for click, then click for the mouse right button option, then click for the paste. So again select your text, then click for the mouse right button option and click for the cut option, then click for the right button option and click for the paste option. Then I show the table text is cut in Google Docs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.